The Crimean Crisis of the 21st century cast a long shadow on geopolitics, drawing attention to the strategic region's historical complexities. This documentary delves into the origins of the Crimean Crisis, tracing its roots to historical events and Cold War dynamics that laid the groundwork for the tensions surrounding this crucial peninsula. 1. The Crimean Peninsula, a geopolitical crossroads. The documentary opens by introducing the Crimean Peninsula, situated at the crossroads of Europe and Asia, with a history deeply intertwined with various empires and conflicts. Its geopolitical significance sets the stage for the unfolding narrative. 2. Post-Soviet era, Ukraine's independence and the Black Sea Fleet. Examining the early post-Soviet era, the documentary discusses Ukraine's newfound independence and the complexities surrounding the Black Sea Fleet. The division of military assets between Russia and Ukraine becomes a point of contention with lasting implications. 3. NATO expansion, shifting alliances and Russian concerns. The narrative unfolds as the documentary explores the expansion of NATO and its impact on Russian geopolitical perceptions. The inclusion of former Soviet states into the alliance, including those in close proximity to Russia, raises concerns and contributes to an atmosphere of distrust. 4. Orange Revolution, shaping Ukrainian identity. Focusing on Ukraine's internal dynamics, the documentary examines the Orange Revolution of 2004. The events surrounding the political upheaval shape Ukraine's identity and set the stage for a complex relationship with both Russia and the West. 5. Economic ties and energy dependence. The gas factor. Delving into economic dimensions, the documentary explores the intricate ties between Russia and Ukraine, particularly in the energy sector. Gas disputes and energy dependence become significant factors influencing the geopolitical landscape. 6. Euromaidan protests, pro-Western aspirations and Russian reaction. The article navigates through the Euromaidan protests in 2013, where Ukrainians expressed pro-European sentiments. This development sparks reactions from both Russia, fearing Western encroachment, and the West, supporting Ukraine's right to choose its alliances. 7. Annexation of Crimea. The unfolding crisis. The documentary scrutinizes the key turning point: Russia's annexation of Crimea in 2014. It examines the justifications provided by Russia, the controversial referendum, and the global response that marked a significant escalation of tensions. 8. Hybrid warfare and information campaigns. Cold War tactics revived. Focusing on the methods employed during the crisis, the documentary explores the concept of hybrid warfare. It delves into the use of disinformation, cyberattacks, and covert operations reminiscent of Cold War-era tactics. 9. Sanctions and international responses. A divided global reaction. The narrative unfolds as the documentary evaluates the international community's response to the annexation, including sanctions imposed by the West. It highlights the divisions within the global community and the ongoing impact on diplomatic relations. 10. Ongoing tensions. The legacy of the Crimean Crisis. Concluding the narrative, the documentary reflects on the ongoing tensions in the region and the enduring legacy of the Crimean Crisis. It examines how the events have shaped diplomatic relations, redrawn geopolitical alliances, and contributed to the broader narrative of 21st century geopolitics. Conclusion. Crimea. Unraveling the Cold War origins provides a comprehensive exploration of the historical antecedents and Cold War dynamics that laid the groundwork for the contemporary crisis in Crimea. The documentary navigates through a complex web of geopolitical, economic, and cultural factors, shedding light on the multifaceted origins of the Crimean Crisis and its lasting impact on global affairs.